workout is going to be a unique workout in the sense that we are going to be moving through a heavy sandbag carry and unbroken double unders. This is going to have you require you to have a little bit of discipline and definitely be real with yourself. Let's get into the details here. Our workout today is an AMRAP in 18 minutes. We are going to try to get as far down the ladder as possible in this workout. And then if you do get to the bottom, you'll go right back to the top and start over again. We want to think this as many reps as possible, not rounds. Now, the workout starts off with a 100-foot sandbag carry, and this sandbag is going to be heavy. If you're looking for a recommendation, we're looking for 200 pounds or 125. But again, you're going to deem whatever that is to you as heavy. And we're going to go ahead and pick up this bag. You're going to go ahead and walk it 100 feet. That means we are going to go ahead and walk down 25 feet. We're going to come back, and then we'll do that again. So down, back, 4 25-foot lengths to complete the 100 feet. When you're done with those 100 feet, you're going to go to your jump rope. And at your jump rope, you're going to complete 20 unbroken double unders. Yes, today it's unbroken. If you hit your feet at 19 reps, you'll go ahead and redo it. The goal here is to be as accurate as possible. Some of you will be stuck at those double unders for some time, and that's going to really try to condition your mental aspect of this workout and maybe less physical. We'll talk about the scales and the double unders in a second, but after you finish 20 unbroken double unders, you're going to go back to your bag. You'll go ahead and go into another 100 feet. And then when you return, this time, you're going to go ahead and do 40 unbroken double unders. Again, I can't express this enough. It's 40 unbroken. If you break early, don't just brush it off and say that's good enough. Restart and get that 40. Again, if you hit your feet and you're not able to complete the designated reps, your new rep count is 0. You're starting over. If you get to 40 and you finish those unbroken, back to the sandbag. You have another 100 feet. We come back, and this time it's 60. We're going to work our way all the way up until you get to 100 unbroken double unders. Again, if you get 100 unbroken double unders and there's still time remaining, you're going back to the top of the list where you'll complete 100 feet of that sandbag carry and then 20 unbroken double unders. This workout's going to be tricky because as you get tired, that's going to really influence those jump ropes. So be prepared for that. It's not going to be the end of the world if you're not able to complete it. And if you have to change your scale down in this workout, you can do that mid-workout. Now, if you're not able to do 20, 40, 60, 80, 100 unbroken double unders, you can scale that down to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 unbroken double unders, so half the reps. You can also scale it down to 5, 10, 15, 25, so just a quarter of those reps. We can also do 5 unbroken double unders each set. So instead of it increasing every time, you can do 5 unbroken every set. We can go ahead and do not a broken up set, so not unbroken. So you're still doing 20. It's just if you hit your feet, you just keep going with that count. And then finally, you'll do double the amount of singles unbroken. So again, if the jump rope is challenging, you can go ahead and try to double that amount. And then finally, that last scale would be 2 times the singles, whether it's broken or not. You're just getting the reps done. But we're trying to challenge ourselves with this unbroken aspect. All right, so choose the one that's going to challenge you. And again, I can't emphasize this enough. If it gets to the point where it's way too frustrating and you need to scale further, you can do that. Just let us know in the notes what you did and where you went for this workout. This workout's going to be challenging both mentally and physically. So let's go ahead and take that in and tackle it head on.